See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Nigerians, I want make una carefully watch this video where I wan play so, and ask yourself, how do we get here?
America is waiting for the arrival in Washington of the Prime Minister of the Federation of Nigeria, Alhaji Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa. Prime Minister Balewa is making an official visit to America at the invitation of the President of the United States, John F. Kennedy. Waiting at the airport to greet him are Vice President Lyndon B. Johnson, Secretary of State Dean Rusk, Mr. Joseph Palmer, the American Ambassador to Nigeria, and other high-ranking American officials. Accompanying the Prime Minister is Minister of Foreign Affairs Wachuku, Ambassador Udochi, and Minister Shagari and Benson, and other key members of the Nigerian government.
Mr. Prime Minister, I am honored to welcome you and the distinguished members of your party to the United States. This welcome is only the beginning. You will find as you travel through this country a very deep and genuine interest in the exciting developments which are taking place in your country and in Africa today.
I am very pleased to be with you in Washington today, and I look forward to the week which we are to spend among you. I have no doubt that the American people will receive us with all the kindness that they all receive strangers. This is just a brief reply to your very warm address of welcome. Thank you.
This was back in those days where our country get respect, where people from Nigeria get respect. See our Prime Minister, see how they take the treat am. But today, Nigeria has lost its place in the international space. We have completely lost it. Another question where I get to ask be say, now this our own generation na im fail? Abi na dem Tinubu generation na dem fail? These old people that have continued to rule us, na dem fail? Abi na we wey agree to all these people to be ruling us? Abi na we fail? See this Prime Minister, as at when he was a Prime Minister, how old was he? But today we are moving from Buhari to Tinubu, Tinubu to Atiku, Atiku to Jonathan. What happened to people like us? What happened? Gowon was like 20-something, abi 30-something when he was the president. But today in Nigeria, if somebody of 42, 43, 50 come outside say he want to be president of this country, now we will be the youth, so now we go dey laugh the person say you no get experience. These people wey they respect for international space like this, which experience wey them get before they became who they were? Now we fail, abi na these old people na them fail us. Please share this video, may it reach everybody. More of these videos dey where I go dey bring for una, make una see whether na we wey be the young people, whether na we fail, abi na these them Tinubu people na them fail. Thank you.